filing a Intra Company Transferee work permit, or if you're looking at filing an L1B visa to the US, they're essentially the same thing, except one is to come to Canada and the other one is to go to the United States. They're covered under a NAFTA agreement. Now, with the specialized knowledge, which is what the L1B stands for, we have to define what specialized knowledge is. What does it mean to be specialized knowledge? So I'll just read a definition and I'll elaborate on it. To be considered specialized knowledge, it means to have special knowledge possessed by an individual, so the applicant that is going to be transferred to the US, in the organization, in regards to its products, services, research, equipment, techniques, management, or other interests in its application in the international markets, or an advanced level of knowledge or expertise in the organization's processes and procedures. So if we really break this down, what this really means is this person has unique skills and unique knowledge about the organization. And how you could demonstrate this or prove this is potentially providing the immigration officer with ample documentation as proof of your work, such as presentations that you've made, any PowerPoint presentations that you've made that can attest to the fact that you have this special, unique skills of the organization. Also, what you want to do is outline in detail your job duties that you perform, not only in the foreign country, but also in what you will be doing once the job offer is given to you. So that's very important, and it has to be detailed. And a lot of times when I say that, clients come back and say, well, if I list 3 or 4 job duties, is that okay? Probably not. You want to go as detailed as possible, possibly even outlining a day-to-day activity that you'll be doing. But more specifically, you want to focus on that unique skill set that you have. One of the key things that the officer will have to assess is there someone else that can do this position? And why do we have to have this foreign worker come into the country? Can there be someone else, especially if you're doing the L1B or if you're transferring into Canada under the NAFTA work permit, Intra Company Transferee specialized knowledge? Can there be someone in the organization themselves without hiring or without transferring the foreign worker? So it's very important to outline what is so special about this applicant, why are they needed, for how long are they needed, and what is this unique skill set that they have. Again, like I said, many ways of doing that. You can attest to your unique skill set by reference letters that you've had this experience for many years, that you understand the organization and the structures of the company better than other individuals, and so forth. So specialized knowledge, you really want to provide as much detail and break it down as much as possible for the officer so that there's no questions asked about that. The last thing I'm going to say about the specialized knowledge is, because it is highly scrutinized, that you want to make sure that you have all the documents ready, review it, and see if your documentation speaks as this is unique. You can add as many documents as you want. You can add your credentials, your certification, your reference letters, your employment confirmation letters. Your resume needs to be very detailed. So don't just add 1 or 2 documents. You want to add as many possible documents you can to prove your specialized knowledge. I hope this video helps in regards to specialized knowledge and what it means and how you can prove it. If you're looking at filing an application and are looking for some assistance, give us a call today. We're here to help. Thank you, and until next time.